Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to collect data. Um, this resistor decade box is supposed to set at 1 kilo ohm and 2, 3, all the way up to 10. At the moment, I'm actually at 8, so I already collected the data. So let's go and set it at 7. So 7 uh, kilo ohms. All right, the left knob needs to be at 0. So this is 100 increment, and this is 1000 increment. We're looking for 1000 increment. So we're at 7,000. So at 7,000, we're looking at the scope, and we have this knob that has a little LED lit. So this knob is active. So if you move this knob, there is a vertical line that's going to move across your screen. I'm afraid that this is difficult to see on the video. Let's try to decrease the brightness a little bit. So then I'll move this in a bit further and we'll do another autofocus for a few seconds. Okay, there we go. We have some flickering, but there is a solid line that goes down. It crosses our curve at this horizontal tag. And there is a delta T written on the right side that we're supposed to read. So let me see if I can get any closer. I think I can show delta t. Difficult to see, but 560 microsecond, that's what delta t is. All right, so I'm supposed to be turning the knob on the top. Let's just go up this knob right here. And what I'm looking at is I'm looking at this inverted display. This darn thing is in the way, so let's push it down. Yeah, it doesn't want to stay down. Okay. So this inverted display has a voltage that says 1.88, and our goal is to turn the knob until it shows up as 2. So if you turn to the right, this voltage keeps dropping down. Now it's 1.04, 640 milli, because this is a slope that slopes down. So to get to 2 volts, you have to go back up there and make sure you get to 2. And that should be 2 blocks. These are blocks. Each block is about 1 volt. So I just went up to the second block above the bottom, and it shows 2 volts. So this is the number I'm supposed to read, the delta t, the time, 520 microseconds. So let's collect the data, and the resistance is 7,000. Then the half time is 520, 520 e minus 6, that's 520 microseconds. Okay, so that's it. And the next number is 6 kilo. And you may or may not have noticed the curve is hugging the vertical axis a bit further, closer. So now I have 1.8, 1.76 volt. I'm supposed to adjust the knob further to the left to get to roughly 2 volts. So 204, if you can do any better, try to do your best, but don't get to the other side like 192. So 204 might be the closest I can get. So 440 microseconds. So that's 6,000. 440 e minus 6. And we keep turning until we get to 1000. Okay, so now we have 176. We'll keep adjusting. So I think that is clear enough what we're trying to do. Thanks.